Yeah, greetings of the day. Myself, Dr. Prakash Piyar, okay, the founder of Computer Science, JP Tiptur. Today we are going to discuss on KDD, knowledge discovery from databases. The topic from the data mining. So what we are going to discuss in the last class that we will have a recap. Okay, just a quick recap. Data mining tasks. What are the different data mining tasks we have? We have six data mining tasks are there. One we can call it as anomaly detections. Then what characteristics are the behavior of that object is different from other remain other objects that we can call as anomaly detections. Associations, how closely they are two objects, how closely they behave, that we can call as association. Clustering, grouping a similar type of objects is clustering. Classification, classifying the data into any one of the predefined groups, that we can call as a classification. Regression is also a classification, okay, but it is a continuous data. And we have a summarization, again that is a grouping that that we can call as the what tasks of data mining. What are the major issues in the data mining? Okay, what data mining faces the issues, that we will see that. When we have data mining, different kinds of knowledge, because each data is having a different kind. Means, okay, I see we have a same data. When we have a same data, but from the same database, okay, each user what require are required different informations, that we need to be what gives that is what bit of an interactive mining of knowledge at the multiple levels of abstractions we need, okay, because there is an ambiguity while giving the extracting the information. When we have an interactive data mining, that will be very useful for that. Okay, incorporation of background knowledge. Okay, what type of information you are required? Okay, when we have a knowledge, okay, for the database or the what I will already give the what example of such thing. What type of information you are searching for? The same name, okay, ambiguity is there. Are you are looking for this, are you looking for that? Okay, at the time, okay, if you have a background knowledge is there, then it becomes a very useful. Handling the noisy data, incomplete data, that is also very challenges. These are all the challenges, okay, how we can able to overcome with that, okay, that we discussed in the previous classes. Today we're going to learn something about KDD, knowledge discovery in the databases. Okay, what are the steps involved in the KDD? Okay, what is the difference between the data mining as well as KDD? KDD is knowledge discovery from databases. Okay. The process includes data cleaning, data integration, data selection, transformation, data binding, pattern evaluation, and knowledge representations. All we can call it as a data KDD. All we will call it as a KDD. It also includes, I think, the process of KDD includes data cleaning, data integration, data selection, data transformation, data mining, data pattern evaluation, and data knowledge representations. Here is the diagram. Okay, we'll see that again how the KDD process works. Here, when we are coming from the data mining, we have a databases are there. We have multiple databases are data will be stored from the multiple databases. Don't you think that again all the informations will be stored in a single databases, okay, or in the same things? Just take an example of bank. RBI stores the information about all the customers information again in the RBI. Just imagine that, okay. We need, okay, because we have a SBI bank, okay, they'll store your customer information in some pattern. If you go to Canara Bank, they'll store information something. Syndicate Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, because all are not, okay, using the common, okay, method of storing the informations. They're going to use different types of databases. They to means databases they are going to use, because this is what the different data sources. When we want to do, what store that, okay, it is not so easy, because they're using different patterns. They're using the different patterns. Okay, then I need to be what stored all the data, because we need to be make some transformations. We need to do some cleaning. Okay, we want to do that. Okay, and we need to integrate. All the data sources can be integrated. We need to be integrated, and we have to be stored. Okay, that is what we want to do it in the second step. First we have a databases, we have to clean, okay, and we have to integrate it. Out of which data, okay, what type of data we need. Okay, did you require all the data? No. Okay, all the customer information? No. I want to know the customers, okay, whose transaction is more than 2 lakhs per annum. I want to know that. Okay, I want to know that, okay, how many customers whose transaction is more than 1 crore. Okay, I want to check out for the income tax. At the time I'll see that, again, whose what transaction is more than 5 lakhs, okay, per annum. Okay, that I want to know. Like that, okay, I'll select the customers who is required for our process. Then I'll make a data mining. I'll use, okay, any one of the data mining method. I'll use this. I use the data mining method, and by using the data mining method, I can able to what get the patterns. Okay, by using the pattern, again, who are the users are there. Okay, and I'll get evaluate that, okay, the represent is in the form of knowledge. Okay, this whole process from the raw data, okay, to the knowledge extraction, that we can call it as a KDD, knowledge extraction, okay, from databases. Okay, we have a data. From the data we are going to get the knowledge by using the different steps. Databases are there, cleaning and integration is there, selection and transformation is there, data mining is there, pattern is there, okay, evaluation and representations is there, and we have mainly find out the knowledge. Steps in KDDI, as I told that data mining is essential steps in the process of knowledge discovery. Here are the list of steps in KDD. First one is the data cleaning. Here, noise and inconsistent data is removed. Noisy data and inconsistent data are going to be removed. Integration, data integration. Here, multiple data sources are combined. I told that, okay, data is coming from the different sources. Okay, that has different types is also there. That we need to be combined. There we need a transformation. Then we're going to be what combined together. Data selections. Here, relevant to analyze the data are retrieved from the databases. What type of information is required for my data mining process? What is the data is required, that we are going to be selected. And data transformation, okay, in that, okay, transform data are consolidated in the form of, okay, appropriate for data mining, performing the summary or aggregations or representations. That, okay, we are going to use in the data KD data mining KD process. Okay, with the data what we are going to have, that, okay, we need to be transferred, because all the data is not in the same form. Just imagine that, okay, I am representing my height. I'll represent my height in 5.5 feet or 6 feet. Somebody is represented in the form of, okay, centimeters, 165 centimeters or 170 centimeters. Somebody they represented in the form of, okay, inches. Okay, because, okay, all are okay height only, but, okay, somebody is in centimeters, somebody is in feet, somebody is in inches and all. Then I need to be transferred to same method. Like, it should be our inches, or it should be in the feet, or it should be in the centimeters. Okay, one form we need to be convert, that we can call it as a transformations. Data mining here, again, is integrating methods are applied in order to extract data patterns. Data pattern evaluation, okay, in the step, okay, data patterns are evaluated, knowledge representation in the form of, okay, images or patterns. Okay, we'll see that. Okay, do you think that, okay, data mining and KDD both are same? No, little different is there. We can say that, okay, data mining is recent recent concept compared to KDD. KDD was, okay, formalized in 1989. DM is one step on the KDD process. Data mining is a one step in the KDD. KDD is from the data mining to get the knowledge. Data mining is one step, okay, in the KDD. KDD is a whole process, okay, tend to be highly interactive and interactive. DM is process applied by algorithm by which patterns or structures are extracted or evaluated. KDD is a process of identifying the valid, potentially useful structure in the data. This is what the difference is between KDD and data mining. The data mining is a part of KDD. KDD is a whole process of extracting the data, okay, from use, okay, amount of data in the patterns. Thank you.